Okay. But still, do you normally get headaches though?
If I don't get adjusted.
If you don't get adjusted, okay. But they got bad though, didn't they?
Yeah.
Like, weren't you were getting them every day or?
After I got sick.
Okay.
In November.
And then they just were relentless, right? Mm-hmm. And the coughing, I bet you were coughing a lot? Mm-hmm. Okay. So the coughing, you know, activated a lot of these muscles and trigger points that were just causing you trouble. All right. Well, that's what we're loosening up, basically. All right. Let me get over here. Let me get this one first. Usually gives us a pretty loud crack. Good. Good. Got it. Let me get this one over here. Good. Good. Man, that was good. Now, does it initially feel better after we do that, or does it actually hurt a little bit when we do it?
It releases and hurts, but gets better.
Okay. So it's a combination.
Yes.